Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 about this cartonus.com wine box. And if you watch the first one, I did not do it right. I combined these circles now. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror them, and then we can take the weld tool and see it doesn't work because they're not really an item. So what we can do now is take the Smart Fill tool, fill them both in with blue. I'm going to nudge them over and group them together, Control G. And then I'm going to Control D and I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to just, for instance, turn the mirror yellow. Now, if we grab them all, we can weld them. It turns them all blue, but then when we left click, right click, all the lines are gone. So now this is all one continuous design that we put into this wine box. That makes life pretty easy when you can do stuff like that. And of course, you're going to want a hairline, and you're going to left click, right click, and that would cut out, and that would be a see-through on the box. So a lot of times when the weld or front or back minus front or other things won't work, it's because they're just not individual lines, or they're not really object, because you can't fill them in. They're not an object. So if you go, we had to delete them before, and now you don't. So all this will cut out, and this is going to mess up the finger joint or the living hinge, but that's what you're going to get. Everything in blue is going to be wood. Everything in white is going to be gone. And then you can see the wine bottle through there, much like they have in this window. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.